Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to CoinDCX. First, open the CoinDCX app or website and log into your account. Then go to deposit and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Next, choose the crypto you want to deposit such as BTC, USDT or ETH. After that, select the correct network, for example ERC20, TRC20 or PEP20. Make sure you have the correct network, then copy the deposit address carefully. Now open the Coinswitch app or website and ensure you have the cryptocurrency you want to transfer available in your balance. After that, select Send or Withdraw in Coinswitch. Paste your CoinDCX deposit address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Next, ensure the network matches exactly the one you selected on CoinDCX. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Finally, double-check the wallet address, network, and amount. Then, confirm the transaction and wait for blockchain confirmation, which usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.